Hello, knees and physios. I am your devotee physiotherapist, and today I am here with a new topic, and we are going to learn something more about the muscle. In last video, we have only read about the muscle and types of muscle, but today we are going to the structure of the skeletal muscles. So let's start. Structure of the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle or the skeletal muscle tissue is basically made up of a large number of individual muscle cells which are called as myocytes or muscle fiber. So if we are going to see the picture of a single muscle, it is connected with the bone through tendon. The connection between bone and muscle is called as tendon. This is the outer covering of the muscle. Every muscle is surrounded by a thin connective tissue layer which is called as epimysium. If we will dissect a muscle, then it will look like this. So it is made up of many numbers of fasciculi. These are the fasciculi which form combinedly a muscle. Then this is the outer covering of a fasciculi. The outer covering of a fasciculi is the outer covering of single fasciculi is known as perimysium. Then if we dissect a single fasciculi, then many number of muscle fibers are there. A bunch of muscle fiber forms a single fasciculi. This is a single muscle fiber and combinedly it forms a fasciculi. Okay, so the structure of muscle mass or muscle tissue is made up of a large number of individual muscle cells called as myocytes or muscle fiber. The muscle is covered by a connective tissue sheath called as epimysium. The outer covering of the muscle is called as epimysium. Next, in the muscle fibers are arranged in various groups called as bundles or fasciculi. The small bundles are called as fasciculi. Each fasciculus is covered by a connective tissue sheath called as perimysium. The covering of the fasciculus called as perimysium. Then each muscle fiber is covered by a connective tissue layer called as endomysium. So the covering of the single muscle fiber is called as endomysium. Three things are there. One is epimysium, which is the outer covering of the muscle. Second is perimysium, which is the covering of the fasciculus, and last one is endomysium, which is covering of a single muscle fiber. Then each muscle fiber is covered by a cell membrane called as sarcolemma. Then cytoplasm of the cell is known as sarcoplasm. Three things we should remember. So it was all about the structure of the muscle. So it was all about the structure of the muscle, and I hope you have learned from this video. And for more updates, subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can direct DM me on my Instagram account, that is Devotee Physiotherapist, and follow this account, and never forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.